So, good morning, guys. Welcome back. We are going today to Shani Singapore and Shirdi. How much time will it take, Papa, to go there?
Should be. It takes around 3.5 hours from today. So we left early morning, so might take 3 hours. So then we'll go to Shirdi, which is another 1.5 hours from Shani Shingnapur. So I
We'll
think,
explore
uh,
the temples, do the Aarti Puja.
yeah, Aarti Puja will attend tomorrow, but maybe today we will do some local sightseeing in Shirdi today evening. Today morning we'll do Shani Shingnapur, and tomorrow morning after Aarti, maybe after having breakfast, we'll come back. It's a short trip.
One night trip.
I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart
Doorless,
that obeys.
lockless village.
So, this is the campus of the Singapore. So, we are taking some stuff for the puja as well. This is the market area of the Shani Singapore. The campus itself is nice. Lots of greenery around as well. We're going in the temple right now. So this is the entry of the gate of the temple.
Now we are entering inside the temple. Go. There is the darshan line. Darshan line. We are in the darshan line. That's what's there.
So guys, if you're coming to Shani Singapore, please do try to bring some small steel utensils. Like we bought some small steel glasses, and just before the gate area, there's a donation box. You can submit your steel utensils there for the donation. They donate it among the poor people outside the temple equally, so that no one is left out. So it's a really nice thing. Please do try to bring. If you cannot, please do pray to God to help the poor people. All the devotees are coming in, and this is the main temple overlook. So guys, if you don't know who Lord Shanidev is, he is the god of karma, justice and retribution. As you can see, the deity we bring sarso ka oil, as we call that in Hindi, and we put it upon the deity of Lord Shanidev, as you can see. This is the reception area. They've got also a buffet. Here's the luggage. We'll get inside. Here's how we go up into our house. As you can see, this was the awesome view we also got from our room. After having some refreshments at our hall, we decided to come and explore the Sightseers devotional theme park where they tell you more about the Indian culture and how you can do a Tirth Yatra here. There are about 5 activities mostly related to our dear Sai Baba, and the first activity was this: exploring the temples of India.
So we are starting our Tirth Yatra.
So welcome back.
Very nice
Let's start a
experience,
ride.
Magica ride.
Let's start from Delhi, where we can see the gateway of India, and not only this, the prisons inside and all the tragic happenings that happen in this ancient monument located in Delhi. And their ride is awesome. The way they're showing it.
गणेश जी का श्री सिद्धि विनायक मंदिर।
Wow.
तो पहले दर्शन करते हैं श्री गणेश जी के, और दर्शन करने के साथ ही साथ ले लेते हैं गणपति बाप्पा का आशीर्वाद भी। इस मंदिर का निर्माण श्रीमती देवबाई पाटिल ने 16 नवंबर सन 1801 में करवाया था। ये मंदिर और ये देवता यहाँ आने वाले किसी भी श्रद्धालु को निराश नहीं करते और सबकी मनोकामना पूरी करते हैं।
Pretty well made.
मुंबई से अब सीधे चलते हैं गुजरात। भगवान श्री कृष्ण का ये प्राचीन द्वारकाधीश मंदिर 2000 वर्षों से अधिक समय से यहाँ बसा हुआ है। मान्यता ये है कि द्वारका नगरी में भगवान श्री कृष्ण का निवास ठीक इसी स्थान पर हुआ करता था। गोमती नदी के किनारे बसे इस मंदिर के 2 द्वार हैं, मोक्ष द्वार और स्वर्ग द्वार। 4 धामों में से एक है ये द्वारकाधीश मंदिर। हर साल यहाँ कृष्ण जन्म का उत्सव बड़े धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है।
So this is the Meenakshi Mandir.
मीनाक्षी जो देवी पार्वती का रूप है, उनके मंदिर का ये 1000 स्तंभों का दालान है।
Wow.
2500 वर्ष पुराने इस मंदिर के 50 मीटर ऊंचे 14 गोपुरम वास्तुशिल्प के सौंदर्य का प्रतीक है।
Unbelievable.
33,000 मूर्तियां हैं और यहाँ दर्शन के लिए रोज 15,000 से
33,000
भक्त आते हैं। आंध्र प्रदेश के चित्तूर की ये पहाड़ियां हमें पहुंचाएंगी भारत के सबसे प्रसिद्ध मंदिर तिरुपति बालाजी के दर्शन के लिए। 1700 साल पुराना ये मंदिर हमारे प्राचीनतम मंदिरों में से एक है। इस मंदिर में संस्कृत, तेलुगु, तमिल और कन्नड़ भाषाओं में इतिहास बताने वाले 640 शिलालेख हैं और 70,000 से भी अधिक भक्त यहाँ प्रतिदिन श्री बालाजी का दर्शन करने आते हैं। तो आइए हम भी श्री गुरु श्री गुरु रामदास जी ने ये मंदिर 1577 में बनवाया था और 18वीं सदी में महाराजा रणजीत सिंह जी ने 750 किलो स्वर्ण अर्पण करके दरबार साहिब को सोने से सजाया था। ये अकाल तख्त है और ये है गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब। वाहे गुरु जी दा खालसा, वाहे गुरु जी दी फतेह, जो बोले सो निहाल, सत श्री अकाल। हमारा अगला पड़ाव है पुरी का जगन्नाथ मंदिर, जिसमें बसे हैं साक्षात भगवान श्री कृष्ण यानी जगन्नाथ, बलभद्र यानी बलराम और सुभद्रा। भगवान जगन्नाथ का ये मंदिर सुप्रसिद्ध 4 धामों में से एक है और 4 धाम की यात्रा की शुरुआत भी यहीं से की जाती है। सन 1174 में कलिंग देश के राजा अनंत वर्मा ने इस मंदिर का निर्माण करवाया था और तब से भगवान जगन्नाथ की रथ यात्रा पूरे विश्व में विख्यात है। हिमालय के गढ़वाल क्षेत्र की पहाड़ियों में बसा बद्रीनाथ जी का मंदिर भी लगभग 3000 वर्ष पुराना है।
Beautifully done.
भगवान विष्णु के इस मंदिर का उल्लेख महाभारत, भागवत पुराण, पद्म पुराण इन सभी ग्रंथों में पाया जाता है। तो आइए दर्शन करते हैं श्री बद्रीनाथ जी के। महाराष्ट्र के पंढरपुर पहुंचते हैं। भगवान विट्ठल की इस वारी को कौन नहीं जानता। आठ 800 साल पुराना ये मंदिर भक्त पुंडलिक की भक्ति का प्रमाण भी है और महाराष्ट्र की संत परंपरा का आधार भी।
अरे वाह,
तो अब अनुमति दे साईं बाबा के आशीर्वाद के साथ इस तीर्थ यात्रा का समापन करते हैं। हमें आशा है कि आपकी ये यात्रा सफल हुई।
वो भारतीय संस्कृति के बारे में बताने वाली बहुत ही अच्छी राइड करने के बाद हम जायंट स्क्रीन, जो कि हमारी दूसरी एक्टिविटी है, वहां चले गए कुछ स्नैक्स लेके।
so we have taken our snacks and we are going to our seats. We got our snacks ready. We are going to watch the giant screen activity.
Which was again related to Sai Baba, all the incidents about his life.
So guys, we have come to watch the 5D film related to Lanka Dahan. So water sprayer and these kind of seats. Refreshment counters also here where we can have popcorn and ice creams. They've got a whole store for refreshments. Now we are going to Dwarka Mai. The 3D experience was very good. Let's go to Dwarka Mai and see what is that. It's related to Sai Baba. That was the 3D experience was very good. They sent bubbles and many things like that. So it's like so we are now entering the Dwarka Mai.
क्या है यहाँ पे रोबोटिक शो? हाँ, रोबोटिक शो।
After seeing the robotics show, since there was no shooting allowed, we came back and we went to the photo booth, which was really nice. We also met Sai Baba. Since it was lunchtime, we came to a nice restaurant to have our lunch.
In the evening we have come to the Sai Heritage Village, which is basically old village resort of Sai Baba. This is the ticket charges. They have also made some rides and made it more fun. Developed it. So they have developed this a little bit. So that is the well, and this is the canteen table areas. So this is the old village. This has the scene of many homes, temples.
Temples of Sai Baba. So same with Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji also had two disciples, Bala and Mardana, one Hindu and one Muslim. मार्केट कॉर्नर मैंने देखा हुआ है ये ऐसे तो कॉटन जो है ना कॉटन कॉटन खींचते हैं चक 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 करके चलता है ये करीब उसी की है तो देखो ये वो आटे की चक्की
We prefer to first go to the Sai Tirth devotional theme park, and I suggest you the same because when you go to the Sai Tirth devotional theme park, in the activities like giant screen and devotional theme park mein the Dwarka Mai, they tell you more about Sai Baba's life, how the incidents occurred, and now with the help of these murtis you will be able to understand incident by incident more better. So if you want to study Sai Baba's life, you can come and visit both of these places. It's really good. They have done a lot of hard work. They have made mitti ki murtis so that you can relate to the incidents in Sai Baba's life. It's really nice. They have taken a lot of effort. It's very innovative.
Gram Panchayat corner.
मोची cobbler
These were his disciples, Abdul Baba, and so this is Sai Baba sitting in the.
ये पोइट्री सुनने के लिए आए हुए हैं पोइट्री सुन रहे हैं तो ये दोबारा से वो द्वारका माई आ गई जहाँ पे he died.
After exploring the best part of the Sai Heritage Village theme park, we decided to go and see the magic show. While I was doing the ride, as you can see above, the railway tracks they have made. So it's a small ride for children. The children can go. It's like a buggy ride on a trail which they have supported with rods. It's really fun and enjoying it. When I came back, I got to see this extraordinary magic done by this wonderful magician. We saw through the bioscope, which was usually used in the olden times. The children used to enjoy it a lot. Inside they had put a reel. A small child had put a reel. Since it was his bioscope, he was also singing along with it. As the sunset happened, it got dark. So we had a dinner and headed to our hole.
So good morning guys, today we are going to cover Sai Baba Mandir, which is literally like 500-600 meters away from our home. So that's the advantage, and it's 6 o'clock in the morning. So we'll cover the mandir, do the darshan, and then we'll go back home.
Since shooting was not allowed inside the temple, we decided to just pray. And we couldn't show you around. We prayed to Sai Baba, took the prasad, did the darshan, and now we are heading back. We definitely enjoyed this Shani Shingnapur and Shirdi trip. Did you enjoy? Let us know in the comment section below. And thank you so much guys for watching our vlog. Coming soon, Kandi Point. Till the next time, toodles.